வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, இது உங்கள் V.Palanichamy. நம்ம டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி குரூப் 1ல் உள்ள ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது 2011 கேட்கப்பட்ட ஜியாகிரஃபி புவியியல் கேள்விகள். சரிங்களா? சரி, வாங்க கேள்விகள் போகலாம். மொத்தம் 26 கேள்விகள், 26 கொஸ்டின்ஸ். த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், ஸ்கெலிட்டல் சாயில் ஆர் ஃபவுண்ட் இன் ஏ விந்தியன் சாண்ட்ஸ்டோன்ஸ் அண்ட் லடாக் ஷேல்ஸ், பி சவுத் வெஸ்டர்ன் ராஜஸ்தான் அண்ட் கடப்பா ரீஜன், C. Telangana, coastal Tamil Nadu and Kongu region, D. Bankura, Medinipur and Pargana areas. The correct answer is B. Southwestern Rajasthan and Kadapa region. Question number 2. Where are the typhoons usually found? A. East Pacific, B. West Pacific, C. Black Sea, D. Red Sea. The correct answer is B. West Pacific. Third question, the largest planet in the solar system is A. Earth, B. Jupiter, C. Saturn, D. Venus. The correct answer is B. Jupiter. Fourth question, where do we have rapid transit system in Tamil Nadu? A. Salem, B. Trichy, C. Chennai, D. Tanjavur. The correct answer is C. Chennai. Fifth question, which one of the following commercial crops is cultivated in large area in Tamil Nadu? A. Groundnut, B. Gingerly, C. Sugarcane, D. Cotton. The correct answer is A. Groundnut. Sixth question, which district do the Doda tribes of the following live? A. Salem, B. Udagamandalam, C. Dharmaburi, D. Kanyakumari. The correct answer is B. Udagamandalam. Actually, it's Nilgiris. Seventh question, in which hill is the Killur waterfalls located? A. Serurai, B. Nilgiris, C. Kodaikanal, D. Agasthyar. The correct answer is A. Serurai Hills. Eighth question, the ocean floor is a flat plain known as A. Abysmal plain, B. Abysmal hills, C. Fringing reef, D. Barrier reef. The correct answer is A. Abysmal plain. Ninth question, which one of the following supplements the drinking water needs of Chennai? A. Krishna river water, B. Tamrabarni river water, C. Godavari river water, D. Siruvani river water. The correct answer is A. Krishna river water. 10th question, the geographical area of Tamil Nadu is A. 1,30,955 square kilometer, B. 1,30,058 square kilometer, C. 1,28,055 kilometer, D. 1,40,033 kilometer. The correct answer is B. 1,30,058 square kilometer. 11th question, the last census was undertaken in the year A. 1991, B. 2000, C. 2011, D. 2001. The correct answer is C. 2011. 12th question, match following with 1 and 2. TIFR Thiruvananthapuram, Space Physics Laboratory Bengaluru, SHAR Center Mumbai, ISRO Satellite Center Sriharikota. The correct answer is A, that is 3142. So TIFR Mumbai, Space Physics Laboratory Thiruvananthapuram, SHAR Center Sriharikota, ISRO Satellite Center, Bengaluru. Question number 13. A galaxy is a huge mass of A. Water, land, air, B. Stars, nebula and interstellar material, C. Isostatic continents and terrains, D. Pluto, stratocones and cordillera. The correct answer is B. Stars, nebula and interstellar material. 14th question, which is the longest river in Tamil Nadu? Vaigai, A. B. Kaveri, C. Palar, D. Pennar. The correct answer is B. Kaveri. 15th question, Mullai Periyar disputes between Tamil Nadu and A. Karnataka, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Kerala, D. Orissa. The correct answer is C. Kerala. 16th question, according to the year 2001 in India, the major irrigation sources are in order of A. Canals, wells, tube wells, tanks, B. Wells, tube wells, tanks, canals, C. Tanks, canals, wells, tube wells, D. Canals, wells, tanks and tube wells. The correct answer is A. Canals, wells, tube wells, and tanks. 17th question. Which state has the lowest level of literacy? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Bihar, C. Rajasthan, D. Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is B. Bihar. 18th question. Which of the following gases accounts for the maximum of the atmosphere? A. Hydrogen, B. Oxygen, C. Water vapor, D. Nitrogen. The correct answer is D. Nitrogen. 19th question. Lateritic soils are formed under condition of A. High temperature and rainfall, B. Low temperature and low rainfall, C. Medium temperature and low rainfall, D. Low rainfall and high temperature. Actually, the correct answer is high temperature and high rainfall. That is A choice. 20th question. To which neighboring country does India share the longest land border? A. Pakistan, B. Nepal, C. China, D. Bangladesh. The correct answer is D. Bangladesh. 21st question. According to Census 2001, in India, the sex ratio is dash females per 1000 males. A. 945, B. 927, C. 935, D. 937. The correct answer is C. 935. 22nd question. Which one of the following is correctly matched? A. Troposphere, lowest layer of the atmosphere. B. Stratosphere, third layer of atmosphere. Mesosphere, 30 km above the Earth's surface. Thermosphere, 50 km above the Earth's surface. The correct answer is A. Troposphere, lowest layer of the atmosphere. 23rd question. Which one of the following is a major source of irrigation in Tamil Nadu in general? A. Canal, B. Rivers, C. Tanks, D. Well. The correct answer is D. Well. 24th question. Which one of the following contributes maximum share in power generation? A. Thermal power, B. Hydropower, C. Atomic power, D. Solar power. The correct answer is A. Thermal power. 25th question. Richter scale, a logarithmic scale to measure the earthquake, was devised by A. Mercalli Richter, B. Charles Richter, C. Edmund Richter, D. James Richter. The correct answer is B. Charles Richter. 26th question. Seismic waves are recorded with the help of the instrument is known as A. Earthquake meter, B. Barometer, C. Kypsometer, D. Seismograph. The correct answer is D. Seismograph. So, thank you very much. So, with this question, the Group 1 Geography questions over. Right? So, next இன்னொரு சப்ஜெக்ட் நம்ம எடுப்போம். நன்றி. Thank you very much.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் ஐக்கன் பிரஸ் பண்ண மறந்து போயிடாதீங்க. அப்பதான் நாங்க போஸ்ட் பண்ற வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும்.